Okay, so it's time to start firing up that kitchen equipment to get cooking. A couple things I'd like to point out to you. Let's assume that all your appliance shutoff valves are turned off. You want to make sure everything is plugged in all the way. You want to make sure your quick disconnects are fully engaged so that the gas is flowing. First thing you want to do when you start turning things on is this convection oven and any other piece of equipment that has a spark module may not light the first time you turn it on. The trick with that is, if you don't know, turn the power off and turn it back on to reinitiate the spark sequence. If you turn it on and just leave it run all day, it won't fire, it will lock out, it'll never work. You want to turn it off, turn it back on 3 or 4 times if you need to get that spark module to fire off the pilot. Because it's been sitting a while, it needs to bleed the lines out. The other thing is, when you turn on the valves to your appliances like the ranges, the pilots are exposed on top, they're easy to light, no problem there. Units like deep fryers, the ranges that have the safety valves, obviously you're going to have to depress the safety valve while you light the pilot to get that pilot up and running. And then the final thing is your griddles. Most griddles, when you turn the valve on in the back, gas starts spewing out of the pilot assembly right away, and you need to really focus on getting those pilots lit as soon as you turn that valve on. Typically we use an antenna with an alligator clip on it to hold a match. Then we put in that cord in the front to get that pilot lit, because again, this is something you don't want to waste time in lighting the pilot once you turn that valve on. Be safe and happy cooking.